In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to create a scrolling web page in Figma. First, open your Figma project and locate the frame that represents your page design. This could be a desktop artboard, a tablet layout, or a mobile screen. Make sure you've selected the frame itself, not a group inside it, so the settings you're about to change apply to the whole page. If your design is taller than the viewport, you'll be able to scroll it in the preview, which is exactly what we want for a web page experience. With the frame selected, look over to the right-hand panel and switch from the Design tab to the Prototype tab. This is where you control how your frame behaves when you present it. Find the Scroll Behavior section. These options determine whether your frame scrolls and in which direction when you view it in prototype mode. Choose vertical. Most web pages move up and down, so vertical scrolling is the standard choice here. You don't need to wire any interactions for basic scrolling. Setting this behavior on the frame is enough to enable it in the preview. Next, set a flow starting point for your frame. This tells Figma which screen to open first when you present the prototype. You'll see a small flow label appear on the canvas once you set it, confirming that this frame is the entry point for your preview. Now it's time to test. Look for the preview or present icon next to the frame's name and click it. Figma will open a new window showing your frame in prototype mode. Use your mouse wheel or trackpad to scroll. If it doesn't scroll as expected, double check that you selected the frame, that scroll behavior is set to vertical, and that the frame is taller than the viewing area. If you're working with multiple pages or sections, you can apply the same approach to your other frames. Select each one, confirm its scroll behavior is set to vertical, and mark the appropriate frame as a flow starting point when you want to preview it on its own. This keeps your prototype consistent and makes it easy to test each page. And that's the complete process for creating a scrolling web page in Figma and previewing it in action. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.